This is Doña and I show you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorials. Not today. After 1.5 years showing you fingerstyle, chords, chord melody and scales and everything, I show you which app, which microphone I use for my 1 minute, 2 minute videos or from my 100 days of ukulele things or short impressions, because many people ask me, hey, they sound excellent, what do you use? So now I work with this app. This is called Dolby On, and I don't use any specific microphone. I use the microphone from my iPad. But if I do the recordings for the videos, I use a microphone, which comes with that sweet tiny box from the brand or company Samsung, not Samsung. And this is incredible. It's in this size. It only costs around $30. And you can monitor, you can put your headphones in, and you can connect it to your Android, to your computer, your iOS device with a USB to USB-C cable. I bought it extra because it comes with the regular USB cable. And here you can use 3 different, can you see it? Yeah. Use of the microphone. One is the kidney, and then you have a special adjustment, because if you have some loud background noise, I always use this one. It does a little bit noise cancelling, and you have the ball button, so you can do an interview or all the sound from everywhere. But if you use the kidney sign, you have to speak directly here in front to the microphone. But if you want, I can do an extra video tutorial about microphones soon. So, but what I thought to show you, before you buy a microphone, you can work with this app without a specific microphone, and the sound is awesome. What I also use if I don't talk, I use my cool little positive grid mini amp. There's one turning out in a really tiny version, and you can use it as an audio interface. There is a USB to USB-C or regular USB cable, and you can do direct recordings with this mini app to your Android, iOS, or regular computer. There's also an integrated video possibility with which I worked the last day, but I'm not as satisfied as with this Dolby On app. Okay, so I do today a tutorial about this app. What I show you next, I do a screen recording, so you see where I work through. And next week I show you my second step with one of my many apps I use to cut the video. So have fun, enjoy. Hello, here we are. So this is the app Dolby On, what I showed you. I gonna open it. So this is the first impression you get of this app. But we start at the references. That's the little wheel on the right hand side here. Here we go. So what is nice and great, you can check and watch this demo video. And also what is great, you can get a recording advice. So if you don't understand or you need further details, you can click through this option and check out what you need. Anyway, so Here you have the possibility to share your audio or videos you did record, and can connect it also to YouTube or SoundCloud, wherever you want. What is great, you can learn how you can record. This is this possibility. And here you have tiny advices how you can do some changes here in this app, but we walk through anyway together. So what I really love, you have the possibility to use a countdown before you start recording, because before you record there are background noises, and during that countdown this app is checking your area around you, so it's already denoising. So I would definitely turn it on. Also, what I recommend, to wear headphones and monitor yourself so you hear what you do. Then you have the possibility to use lossless audio, but it takes more files, and especially if you use your videos for Instagram and YouTube, so MP3 models are pretty okay. So if you push here the note button, there you would see what you have already recorded. So I cleared everything for you, like you see, and that we work fresh. So let's go back. Here we are. So if you go on the reference wheel, right hand side, there you see you have the possibility to record just audio or to do a live stream. What is awesome, so you have an excellent sound and video quality to do live streams with Stitch and Facebook. But I think YouTube is also possible. And now you see me. Hello, we can do a video together. So I hop back to the reference wheel and then we talk later here. So if you turn up, there you have the chance, or I think it's senseless to use the watermark from Dolby On, but you don't need it. And then what I really love, I have it installed on my Android phone. You can already connect it with SoundCloud, Facebook, Twitch and YouTube, and you can directly upload your audio or your video files in an excellent quality, and you have no more work to do. But I prefer to overwork my videos with another app, but I show you next week. So before I start too much talking, I show you how to record a video of your ukulele play. So you push the plus button, and here it's me again. Then you turn on the video camera, and then you see the countdown. And during the countdown, you should be quiet. And then it measures the area around you, how loud it is, and then it records you excellently. If you're done with your recording, touch the stop button. Okay. And then if you want to see the video, go on the left hand to the note. And then you see your tracks you've recorded. So now we go into the track. And during the countdown, you should be quiet. So you see, It's an excellent quality of sound. So here you have the possibility. What is the most interesting part? Touch the tools button. So we go from the easiest way. If you touch the trim button, you have the possibility to shorten your video. So you can shorten the end or the beginning. So I just do it for you in tiny seconds. So, and then you can play. Records you excellently. If you're done with your recording, touch the... So you see, I cut my end. But anyway, I want to show you that you can first look if you're satisfied with your trimming and then push the OK. Done. So let's go to style. And this is what I really love. Here you can choose the sound quality. So with music instrument, like here in our example, the ukulele, it's excellent. So standard is the regular sound like you're using in iPod or Bluetooth speaker, whatever. I prefer for my sounds with the ukulele, the natural sound and the lyric sound. It's more authentic, but whatever you prefer. But what you can also do is turn it off. But anyway, I show you with my voice how the sounds change if I push any button. This is standard. And during the countdown, you should be quiet. And then this is thumb. It measures the area around you, this is how loud it is, and then it records you excellently. And this is lyric. It measures the area around you, and how loud it is, and then it records you excellently. And if you're done with your recording, touch the down. And during the countdown, you should be... So as you see, without already the sound is beautiful with this app. And I haven't used yet any special microphone, only the microphone from my iPad. So the next button is noise reduction. And this is cool if you're recording, for example, on a rainy day. You can reduce the background sound. So white, and then it measures the area around you, how loud it is, and then it records you excellently. Noise. If you're done with your recording, touch the... So you hear that it makes difference. If you have noisy background, you can reduce it. Also, you have the chance to mix by yourself the sound. So the treble, the mids, and the bass. What you can also do is to boost your sound. So if you have spoken or played very gentle, you can boost it up a little bit more that it sounds more pressure. But I never used it before and you don't need this. Okay, these are the tools. So as soon as you're done with all your mixes of the tools, you push here on the top, on the right hand side, the done button. And what you can do is share it. Now you can share it directly to SoundCloud, Instagram, Facebook, or as an email or a message. If you have any troubles, you can directly support it to Dolby On, which is awesome. And you can also share it to other audio apps, maybe for Prologic or GarageBand or any audio apps. And what is also cool, you can save it as a video or as an audio. So in our example, you save it as a video. and push the save button, and so it's in your photo gallery. And it depends on which electrical devices you were using it, like iOS or Android, and it goes directly. That's so perfect. And if you push the 3 dots, you can rename your video or delete it. Or if you push the star, you can save it as your favorite. So, and if you're done and you want to do more tracks, push on the left hand on the top. And then you can go back to the plus and record another video or another audio track. And I'm so happy with this app. I'm normally using my Pro Logic or GarageBand and was recording me parallel to a video and mixed everything together. But this app is so excellent. Sometimes if I'm in time troubles, I only use this app and my cheap Samsung mic, which I will show you. And I recommend it. It's only around 30 bucks and it sounds so excellent for voice and ukulele. Also together with this app. And if I compare it to my microphone, what I have, the Worker Bee, which costs 200 bucks, with the audio interface, what you use in profi studios for mixing music, this app is incredible. I can't tell you how they make it, but the quality is excellent. So now you know which app I use, and I hope this little video helped you out. If there are any questions or any unclarity things or anything you want to ask me, please feel free to write me a message or what app you want to learn next. Love you, see you soon, Doña.